walk right along the side if you want. Like, your presence is good. We'll see if it's dry enough for his liking to lay down on that. I go to the right. Okay. So what'd you find right there? If you get one staring, I love it.
Am I out of it, Jackie?
Huh?
Am I out of it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
I got my big lens.
Just tell me to move if I'm in it.
Lots.
If anything, I should have did the shorter one, but that's good.
Wait. Soup. See, like he's going over another track.
Yeah, there's tons of tracks out here.
But whenever that, like, see, you check that. And those are fine. Like, if they want to check, that's only good because then they're looking at the contrast, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So he's going to turn right. Good boy.
I'm going to come back on Chelsea's side.
And then for a lot of this stretch, I think I left it kind of, nope, soup, empty. Like, clearly that was hard for him. Oh, here comes an article. But, good boy. What'd you find? Where'd you go? Hard to get him in there.
His tail.
Why is he so happy? I know. So cute.
Lots.